So you want to make sure that the Garmin Explorer app is enabled. All right, we have that. Now we want to get in the Garmin Explorer. Okay, manage permissions while using the app. Now notice I have Myersville, Maryland. I have Penmar Park. I have Arnoldstown, Maryland. I have Shoreline Drive in West Virginia. And I have 1.2 gigabytes of map for Washington, D.C. metro area. So those are some aspects of the Appalachian Trail that I'll be hiking soon. Now you're going to click on devices, pair device. Okay, notice here we're going to pick the 7X solar. While we're waiting, I'm going to install the Garmin Messenger. It's a small app, it's only 15 megabytes. You can see that it installs relatively quickly. Okay, I'm going to open the Garmin Messenger. Okay, you're going to enter your verification code. Okay, once you've enabled your verification code, you're going to enable permissions. Agree to access contacts. Allow Messenger to send you notifications. Allow Messenger to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Press done. Okay. Let's see here. In the settings here, you can put your SMS preferences. You can put your email preferences. Okay, so let's come back to our okay, you can see my device is synced. Now we want to do the software update. And I'm hoping this is going to help a lot. Okay, I'm going to update with Wi-Fi. Add a network. Okay, here you're going to add the password of your Wi-Fi network. Okay, now the Wi-Fi network is connecting. Test network connection. I personally think it's easier to update the device in the Garmin Connect app. If you go in the settings, let's see what we can find here. Okay, I'm in the devices section of the Garmin Connect app. Click on finish setup. You can see it takes a while to download. Okay, I'm going to set up the ECG app. I'm not going to show you my birth date, but you can scroll through here. Okay, you're going to continue on the added account protection. You're going to do your two-step verification. I think it's easier to complete this setup on your phone and then pull the security code from your email. Okay, after you enable it, press continue. Press next, press next, press next. Press next. Scroll down, press next. Okay. So you're going to place your thumb and index finger on the metal ring around the watch face, then keep in place for the entire 30-second recording. Alright, so it's enabled now. Okay, now I'm going to set up my music. I'm going to download Connect IQ. Okay, Connect IQ is available now. Open. Welcome. Continue. Allow. 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 I'm going to scroll down and add Amazon. Amazon Music. Install. Allow. Okay, now I'm going to download YouTube. Okay, YouTube Music. Allow. I'm going to download Spotify. Allow. I'm going to download Deezer. Allow. You can see I'm queued to get Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Spotify, and Deezer on my watch. Now if you scroll to the bottom here, you can go to Updates, and you can see that the Connect IQ store is queued to download. I'm back in Garmin Explorer. Make sure that you get this version 38 for the time zone map. Go in your app permissions, allow the calendar, allow the call logs, allow the contacts. You're going to go in the location, go in the permissions, go to location, allow all the time. Go to offline maps, check for map updates. So hopefully some of this was helpful.